So the first thing you're going to need to know to get started with Multisim is how to select components. To select components, you can go to the Place menu and click on Component, or you can use one of the shortcut buttons on the top of the screen. Now when you click on the Component button, it'll bring up a Select a Component menu. All the components are categorized into different groups. You have your sources, your basic, diodes, transistors, TTL, CMOS, and so on and so forth. I don't know what all of them do yet, but I'm still learning, and you don't need to know what all of them do to get started with some basic circuitry. So I'm going to go to my basic group and select a resistor. So once I'm in basic, I can just click on the resistor category. I have all my different resistor values, or I can just type in a custom value, like say 220 ohms, hit enter, and now I have my component. Once you click it on the screen, it'll go back to your component menu and ask you if you want to select another one. If you don't, you can just close it out and go on your way with completing your circuit, or you can select more components. So, for example, I'm just going to select a ground and a DC power source. And then maybe I'll throw in a diode just to show you where those are. Let's see, a light emitting diode. LED, I'll take a green one. And that's basically all there is to selecting components. You can also search components. So for example, if I go to my all groups category and I want to search for an AND gate, for example, which in the real world those are 7408s. So if I type in 7408, since this simulates all the main components in the real world, you can just type in something that you found and it should have it in the same catalog. So that's my AND gate right here. If I want to get information on it, I can click on a detail report, and that'll give me all the general information about the AND gate.